Hi! If you've ever dreamed of owning your own AI business without having to build everything from scratch, this might be exactly what you're looking for. Today, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the GPT Creator Club, what it is, who it's for, and why it's quickly becoming one of the most talked about tools for digital entrepreneurs. So, what is GPT Creator Club? It's a complete white label AI business platform that gives you your own customizable GPT-powered tools, branding, and ready-to-sell marketing assets. That's right, no need to code anything, no design skills required. The platform gives you the actual AI tools like content generators, chatbot systems, and automations, branded with your own name, logo, and domain. You become the owner of a fully functioning AI tool suite, and it doesn't stop there. They give you done-for-you sales pages, email swipes, lead magnets, even pricing models, so you can start selling immediately. Imagine launching your own AI SaaS brand in days, not months. Whether you're a marketer, freelancer, agency owner, or just someone who sees the massive potential of AI, GPT Creator Club gives you the infrastructure, the assets, and the tech all done for you. You can sell access to the tools, offer subscriptions, or bundle them into your existing services. You set the price, you keep the profit, no monthly fees or hidden licensing. What really stood out to me was the community. You don't just get software, you get ongoing training, support, and a private mastermind group with other AI entrepreneurs. So if you've been looking for a way to jump into the AI gold rush without the tech overwhelm, this might be your shortcut. There's also a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can explore everything, try it out, and if it's not for you, you get a full refund, no questions asked. Anyway, I'll leave the link to the official site down below. Go check it out and see the full walkthrough of what's included. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you have questions. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next one.